needle's probably sticking up again. Oh, there's still right there. I think the accelerator pump is shot.
I think you need a lever.
The lever would work handy. Anyway, there's a new one I bought behind me.
That sounds impossible.
Oh, for Pete's sake. I thought it would just fire up and run. plugged up, taken care of first, and then we'll start building it back after that. Guys, back, got some 3/8 NPT pipe plugs. Hope that's the right getup. Had to get 2 brass, and I got 2 in the broken pipe plug kit. So I'm going to pull all these out quick, Teflon, plug them, and then we'll move on to vacuum caps and stuff like that. Just trying to do all this stuff while we don't have anything in the way. Okay, I got those 4 plugged off, and it looks so much cleaner, and that's really the main reason that I've done it. 3.5 of you, one of you probably closely, have caught on that these are just temperature switches, essentially, and they don't really need to be changed out. They're already unplugged. Well, I'll show you. Look at this mess that we took out of it though, and how much cleaner it looks. So this is already the plug. It's basically a normally closed switch, and when this reaches X temperature, this would open and allow vacuum to flow through this. Somehow along the way, a lot of this was temperature controlled. Cold versus hot engine, whatever else. That's the exhaust gas regeneration system, right? So it obviously worked. This engine got really good fuel mileage, and I kind of do feel bad tearing into it like this, but you know, is it really rare? Not really so. Is it cool? Yeah. We're going to get a little bit more pep out of it? Guaranteed. Now we're moving on to vacuum. I've got to plug this guy minimum, and then we're going to have to do some testing down the road. I also need to plug this guy in the back, which is flowing some coolant. I'm just going to use the cap and a hose clamp on that particular unit. And then we should be ready to start assembling the fuel maker happener back on this, and look how much cleaner that looks without this stuff. My goodness, and a mile of hose that I've dug out of this thing. There's parts lying everywhere I gotta pick up. Just kind of pinching them over my shoulder. So here's our adapter, and this is the hardware. So we got 4 studs and 4 screws based on how those are set. They're not tapered though, but these nuts aren't going to like sitting down in there. So really, these should have conical, but they don't. That's what's going to go in there. And then the studs will go through here, which is threaded, and then we'll have 1, 2, 3 gaskets that need to go on there, and then we'll drop that Weber right on top. Alright, let's assemble this thing. First is digging my knee into the gravel, getting the rocks just right. There we go. Gasket. There we go. Plate. Sure. I am going to be putting some thread locker because of the big hog cam on this, you know. We don't want these back